Hello and welcome to Model Minutes and the 4th episode of the Subscriber Showcase. The first 2 submissions are from Emil, and he has produced a Minicraft 144th scale B24 Liberator. I think he's done a great job of getting an aluminium finish on this tiny model. His next submission is a 1:700 scale USS Fletcher by Revell. And once again, this is quite a small ship, but he's managed to get a really good camouflage pattern on the outside of this. And our final 2 models for this episode are from SpookyNB. He's produced an Airfix Boulton pool Defiant in 1/72nd and a 109E in the same scale. He says he likes to tell a little bit of a story with these 2 models, and that the 109 has successfully managed to shoot down the Boulton pool Defiant. And as you can see, he's done a great job of producing the damaged paint effects on these aircraft. And if you look closely, you can even see that the pilots in each one have been injured. However, the 109 pilot has come out slightly better. You can connect with Emil on YouTube and with SpookyNB on Instagram. Some great submission there, guys. If you've got something you'd like to submit, remember that you can get involved by subscribing to the channel and emailing modelminutes@hotmail.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to leave a like, a comment and subscribe so you can find out when my next video goes live. See you all again next time.